Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades, and I made an extra Trade of the Week video this week. Let me show you why. Our final trading event in the trade room this week that we were trading live was personal income and spending. Tons of members in the trade room made money, and I want to document this all was a fantastic trade. It's a trap trade. As price goes up, we sell the market. If price goes down, we buy the market. We're trading gold futures using the Ninja Trader platform. The price explodes up. Our setup keeps us alive. By a couple of ticks, the price changes direction. We move our stop to safety. I move my stop down to trail. I got a little close, $380 profit. You see it there, live, real money. That took about 20 seconds in the market. But that's not what's important. Let me show you. Doc from Florida had an awesome trade. Let me see if I can show you his video. It's a little bit tricky. So let me get to the video here. Doc from Florida also trading a trap trade. Again, when price goes down, we buy. If price goes up, we sell. So our orders are placed on the chart, those X's, okay? He shrinks his chart so he could see the orders. The price is going to burst up, and Doc's going to get pulled into the market short. 2 orders, and then what's going to happen is price goes down, down, down. Watching, watching, watching. He moves his stop to safety. Doc's trade is over. He's up. It's not over yet. He's still in the trade, so I'm watching still to see how he does. He's trailing his stop, trying to protect profit. You could see the profit's 400, 500. He's trailing his stop, trying to maximize that profit in relation to the way the price is moving. Still trailing, still trailing. He gets hit. $450 profit. Great trade for Doc. And let me show you what everybody did in the trade room. Tons of people made money in the trade room. David, $510 in his prop account. Johan, $500 on Sim. Doc, the $450 that you just saw. $403 for Roz, gold, live cash. More traders, more traders. Steve, $300 on the reversal. And the big winner of the day was Gabe. He made $1,900 in his prop account on this reversal trade. So if you're undecided or if you're a trial member and your time is running out, stay with us. Learn how to do this. It's a fantastic, fantastic way to trade the markets. My name is Leigh Goldstein. I'm the trading director at 10-Minute Trades. The trade of the week, lots and lots of people made money. A great way to end the week. Keep an eye on the text in this email to join our new pro membership so you can learn how to do this with us. This was our extra Trade of the Week video. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll see you on the inside in the trade room. Take care.